It's tripping.
Niggas can't get they shit together, just like they wanna live that life forever. Like they about to lift the world, but they light as a feather. They watch a hop on every wave, trying to ride it forever. Niggas dying for less, they put pride in their letters. They get by getting jealous, they get high and get reckless. Get inside of their fucking heart, acting childish and wretched. I'd understand if they was hot when they was trying to check me, but never disrespect me. When they bars low, they views high and they can't reflect me. Try to fight with me and can't select me. Why you try to scrap if you can't accept me? Leave a nigga KO, they won't ask a question. And then sure again if a nigga want seconds. We on demon time and y'all don't even want the lesson. Hate where you from so much you won't get to stepping. Decline the next nigga doing better. But I'ma let her sleep if they want to breathe. If they want to be what they wanna be. Tell me what the fuck that they gon' do. Or what they won't do, that's what there's gonna be. Fuck it, I'ma make her sleep if I want to. Bleed if I want to, cause I ain't about to RIP. I ain't about to kill nobody. I might stay talking, but that's just how I